Hello everyone. Let's check how to check and pay balance from Payment tab. Click on Payments tab. We can check Balance Payment tab where members with balance payment are displayed. Cancelled Invoice tab where cancelled invoice for members are displayed. You can search for customers by name or mobile number and by applying due date and invoice date filters. Customer name appears. Click on Actions. Select Pay Balance. That will open a new tab of Balance Payment. It shows total balance amount. Enter the amount paid. Check due remaining amount and enter the payment date. Customer can pay through payment options. Click on Submit. We can go back and check in the Payment tab. Congratulations! We have checked and paid the balance through Payments tab. Thank you.